Hello, lovely people. We are in Indian Village, a beautiful historic neighborhood known for its massive homes, gorgeous community, and proximity to downtown Detroit. We're going to check out this gorgeous home. Come with me. Look, I know this is staging, but fun fact, I have a violin that's just like this. And I need to play it. This might be one of my favorite homes. It is gorgeous. It mixes modern with classic elements. And on top of that, it still has like the natural built-ins. It has excellent use of its balcony space. Closets are nice sizes. And it still has that classic architecture that we love to see within the Indian Village homes. This is beautiful. Just stay tuned.